Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget using MoneyWiz, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the MoneyWiz app on your device. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Once you're in, navigate to the dashboard. Select the budget option from the main menu. Tap on Create New Budget to start setting up. Choose the budgeting period that best suits your needs. Enter a name for your budget to identify it easily later. Add the total amount you plan to allocate for this period. Now, begin adding categories for your expenses. Consider common categories like groceries, utilities, and entertainment. For each category, specify the amount you want to allocate. Review your budget to ensure it reflects your financial goals. Once satisfied, save your budget settings. Track your spending by returning to the dashboard regularly. Use the Transactions section to log your expenses. To edit or adjust your budget, simply return to the Budget section. Review your spending trends over time to make informed adjustments. Utilize MoneyWiz reports for a visual representation of your budget. This will help you identify areas where you can save. Regularly check in to stay on top of your finances. That's how to budget using MoneyWiz efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.